Hello, this is Tuning In with Kat. I wanted to share with you some of the sounds and the tones that you would hear if you participated in one of the sessions that I'm offering. This tone that you're hearing is for the sacral chakra. This is one of the 7 energy points, main energy points that are in our body. These tones help harmonize our frequencies. Our body is created of energy, of cells, of atoms that are always moving. You can see that in the trees as they sway in the leaves with the leaves. We can see that with the rhythm of the ocean as the waves flow in and out. So everything in life is a rhythm. The seasons, each one has its own unique balance it brings to nature and the evolution. So you can sit back, enjoy the sounds, welcoming them in, and relaxing. Okay, I hope that gives you a sample of what a sound bowl bath would be like. Thank you so much for joining me.